The dynamic island looks pretty. So I'm just gonna hit this with an unscrew. Pop. Okay, this is the weirdest fake phone design I've ever seen. They clearly put some effort into making this though. We'll pull this off and check that out. The camera actually looks pretty good, but they stuffed all the internals up at the top here, and we actually have some scribbles. That's nice. A lot of these components are usually hard soldered, but it seems like they're weaning away from that this year. And the battery, you can also just disconnect. It's very nice to see. Same thing with the front camera. That just comes right out. I'm kind of impressed. They did a really good job copying the real iPhone, even down to the internals. Earlier, I was wondering if on the back they actually used real glass for this little window, and unfortunately, I can confirm that it is. The back glass actually broke while we were bending it, but it's kind of cool that they did use real glass. It's time to boot the fake iPhone 17 Pro Max on. I really want to see if this has iOS 26 or anything close to it, and how good are those cameras, front and back? The screen doesn't look half bad with the Apple logo on, but I can